I'm Cody Friesen, founder and CEO of Zero Mass Water. The scarcity of good drinking water on the planet is not an issue for the bottom billion. It's not a bottom 3 billion problem. It's really a 7 billion person problem. I mean, basically one person dies from waterborne illness every 10 seconds. Zero Mass Water exists to perfect water for every person, every place. We developed a technology called Source Hydropanels that is essentially a solar panel that instead of making electricity, makes water from sunlight and air only. Basically, we take a set of advanced nanomaterials that absorb water from the atmosphere, and then we use sunlight to cycle water back out of those materials, producing a condensable vapor that then produces pure water that is then mineralized and stored on board for whenever somebody's ready to drink that water. So a typical residential installation would be 2 panels, and that would produce about 450 standard bottles of water a month. Today we're installed in 17 countries across a really wide range of applications and also a really wide range of economic conditions. It's everything from individual homes to schools to orphanages.